What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and this video is super exciting actually. If you're a regular shopper on eBay, you're well aware that discount codes are not easy to come by. There's very rarely a good discount code, especially off the items that you wish to purchase. So I actually searched high and low for the best available discount code because I wanted to buy a new pair of sneakers from eBay. And I'm happy to announce that I managed to find a $100 discount code, and this can be applied against any product of any value. Now obviously you're gonna want to use this discount code against a $100 plus item. So without further ado, let me show you guys where you can go ahead and get your very own discount code for $100 for eBay. So you need to go to the internet. I'm using a mobile phone because it's easier. You can do it on your computer, but I recommend your mobile. Open up the internet and go to www.giftcardhero.net. When you're on the website, you need to press this menu button, go to search, and type eBay. Now, there is only one page for eBay promo codes, so it's easy to find it once you've searched. So I'm gonna press this page. Now, we need to scroll down, and here's our discount code we need to obtain. $100 off your order for new and existing customers, which is perfect. We need to reveal the promo code, so we're going to press this button. Now, this is a human verification process. It takes a couple of minutes, but this secures us our code. This will make our code reveal itself. We need to complete 2 of these offers, so there's going to be surveys and apps. They're completely free, and you just need to follow the instructions below each offer. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. This looks like a survey to me. Looks pretty easy. Now I just need to input my email address, and then I'm gonna fully complete that one. Then I'm gonna return. I'm gonna click on this and do this one as well. So I've got 2 surveys there I need to complete. I'm gonna go ahead and do those. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Like I said, I just took a couple of minutes carefully completing 2 of these offers. So you want to go back to Gift Card Hero, scroll down, and there you go. There's my eBay $100 promo code. When I enter this into the checkout, it's gonna reduce my order or my basket by $100. Easy as that, guys. Takes, like, what did that take me? It took me a few minutes. I would say a few minutes of work for $100 is well worth it. This is working in 2023. You can use this multiple times across multiple orders if you wish. You just gotta follow these steps. Get yours at giftcardhero.net. They're one-time use codes, guys, so once you've used the code, it's gonna be invalid, but you can get your own Gift Card Hero. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.